Hello guys and welcome to our fifth Python development tutorial for the programming expert. Again, it's me Aditya, and what we are going to see in this tutorial is basically I'm going to introduce you to Python object types. Well, what are the Python object types? Well, in Python we do things with stuff. Things things take the form of operations like addition, concatenation, and stuff refers to the object on which we perform those operations. In this part of the tutorial, our focus is on the stuff and the things our programs can do with it. In the next some tutorials, we are going to see about the Python object types. Somewhat more formally in Python, data takes the form of the objects, either built-in object or Python provided. Our objects we create using Python or external language tools such as C extension libraries, although we'll firm up this definition later. Objects are essentially just pieces of memory with values and set associated operations. Because objects are most fundamental notions in Python programming, we'll start this tutorial with a survey of Python built-in object types. Well, I'll check for LibreOffice. Okay, wait. Okay, so what are the way of introduction? However, let's first establish a clear picture how this tutorial fits into overall Python picture. From a more concrete perspective, Python programs can be decomposed into models, statements, expressions, and objects as follows. Well, we can use it as programs are composed of models. Programs are composed of models, and well, what these programs are composed of models. The programs are always whenever we are running our application. Suppose I have not typed here anything and I have said here print a, then it's going to show me some kind of error trace back file, and it's going to show me this kind of model. Well, what this model is about? Model is a thing which we are able to see inside it. Another thing is models contain the statement. Well, how this is working, I'll explain it to you later on. Otherwise, you are able to explain, you are able to understand it automatically. And what is the statement? Statement is containing the um, expressions. Statement contains expressions, and expressions. What is sorry? Expre Expressions create and create and process objects. Well, this is going to help you in our next few tutorials, and well, we are going to see some objects. First object type is numbers. Well, you may type here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, anything number you may type here. Another type is strings, and in before some tutorials we have seen that I had typed here span, a string I had called sorry, I had called a string, I had called it as a span. Then again I can't say it, I can type the list such as in this way, 1 comma, again I will insert a square bracket here. I'll again type here 2 comma, and in the quotation I will say 3. Again after that I will say, after the bracket again I will say comma 4. This is going to create the list. Again, there is dictionary, DICTO. Dictionaries, how this dictionary is going to help us. Um, in the curly bracket, I may say here anything called foods. Again, I can give it a semicolon or a colon, and again I can say it here span. It is using as a dictionary. Again, I can use the tuples. What are the tuples? Um, what are the tuples? Here you may use 1 comma. Again, we can type here some kind of variable. Again, comma 4 comma u. Okay, so these are the tuples, and again we can type out here files. Which kind of files now? Here I'll say my file. Sorry, my files, and it will is equal to. I'll open the um, programming expert. In this way I can use the files too, and I can use many other types. Which kind of types is sets, types. Again, I can use none. If you are if you have seen any kind of Java program, there you might have seen the boolean. In this way we can use the Python language. Well, we have not done anything good in this tutorial, but I think we are going to do something else in our next tutorial. Thank you guys, catch you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you and have a good one.